Is your Microsoft Office screaming product activation failed and locking you out of productivity? Don't sweat it. We're diving into practical solutions to get your Office suite back on track in no time. First, let's try a quick but effective troubleshooting step. Right-click on your Windows Start button. From the menu that appears, select Apps and Features. Now, in the search box, type the name of the Office application that's giving you trouble, like Word or Excel. Once you find your Office application on the list, click on it, and then choose the Modify option. A new window should pop up giving you two options: Quick Repair and Online Repair. Start by selecting Quick Repair. Let the repair process complete. This often fixes minor activation glitches without needing an internet connection. Once the repair is done, try opening your Office application again to see if the activation error is gone. If Quick Repair didn't do the trick, or your internet was out, let's head back to that Modify screen and this time, select Online Repair. Online Repair is more comprehensive and redownloads necessary files, so ensure you have a stable internet connection for this step. After the online repair finish, restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. When your computer reboots, launch any Office application. You should now be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account associated with your Office license, resolving the activation issue. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be back in business, crushing your tasks with a fully functional Office suite.